when you hand them the climate action kits, then all of a sudden more people got interested. The creativity that the kiddos get in their heads of what could we make with this? You're seeing a lot more people get involved in STEM, and the what if moments are happening a lot more when it comes to designing and creating something in their hands with the kids to solve a problem. And I'm always going to promote girls in STEM because I feel like we've done a lot of events this year, and there are so many teams of young women engineers that have like suddenly just appeared, and it's amazing to see because they're seeing themselves as people who can code and people who can design and build. The amount of scaffolding for those kiddos who are new to coding, who are new to STEM, and then the experts, they all had entry levels that they can do with the lessons. So some used the step-by-steps once we discovered it, and some just built. So teachers are super appreciative of that you have provided everything they need to provide a great lesson on climate action. You have all the steps to help them as much as the students, but then you've also given the ability to scaffold like students who have never coded to students who've coded lots of different things. We can't hold back our students because we might be fearful of, ooh, are they gonna break it? Ooh, I don't know about this. You know, they may not show on paper like what we wanna see, but the minute you put something in their hands and something that's well thought of like this kid is, that's when you're going to see them shine, because then all of a sudden you're meeting, unfortunately for teachers, we have to meet expectations and curriculum, but then when you give a kid that they can look at, and all of a sudden you have, oh, there's coding expectations, there's science expectations, they're verbally telling you instructions, which is literacy instruction. Like, we just got to dive in as educators. I had a teacher yesterday, we did a great big coding event, and he said, this was awesome because some of us old teachers need a little kick in the pants to realize we can do this, and our students need us to do this. And he's 1 year away from retirement, and he's learning how to code because his grade 4s are learning how to